As a final year student myself, I learned a lot of new concepts and gained even more deeper understanding on the theory which was already known to me.
The course structure was nicely prepared. The number of assignments they gave were plenty more. We did everything that we all needed.
Main purpose of coming over here was the simulation part, which I haven't seen before, although there are many examples in the books which we currently read, but doing it at the lab was a completely different experience. The second most important thing was the using of the editors like latex, which we haven't done so far.
The best part I think about this was in lab sessions, it was a main emphasis on using documentation and user manual of NGSPICE or the software we are using instead of using AI tools to actually do the experiment itself.
Through these experiments, the students were able to do hands-on on the simulation part using NGSPICE. They were able to do AC, DC and transient analysis. I think this experience will help them in their future.
I think the entire experience was very valuable for me. The learning curve is very great and it is just all over a very good experience. Thank you.
Finally, I would say that more such workshops needs to be conducted at IIT Bombay so that students like us can get the real feel of the environment.
It's been a wonderful experience to be associated in this, where students from different diversities come and we are going to teach them really practical stuff that is going to happen in industry, and also it's been immense knowledge for me to gain. I would really appreciate the enthusiasm and learning from the students that I have got.